Sige, discuss naman natin tong password problem, November 2015, involving principle of hydrostatics pa rin. Sige, labasin to. Lumabas din to noong April 2025, yung height ng mountain. And the mercury barometer at the top of the mountain. So, draw muna tayo ng mountain. Mountain. Tak na nga lang. Sipin ko pa color. Ayan, may mountain. Mercury barometer at the top of the mountain reads 460 millimeters of mercury. 460 millimeters of mercury. Okay? Millimeters of mercury. Okay. So at the same time daw, another barometer at the base reads 536. Okay. 536. Kasi mas mataas naman talaga yung sa baba, di ba? 536 millimeters of mercury sa base. Assuming that the unit weight of air is constant. Assuming that the unit weight of air is constant at yun yung in between yan. Unit weight ng air is 12 newtons per cubic meter. So we're asked to solve how high is the mountain. Di ba alam naman natin na pressure is equal to gamma H? Di ba? That is when yung certain point lang tinutukoy mo. Okay? So, paano mo masasolve yan pag magkaibang pressure na sila or may at a certain height na? So, mamaminus lang. Basically, sabihin natin 0.1 to. Mas mataas ang pressure dito kaysa dito sa 0.2. Pressure 1 is greater than pressure at 2. So, ayun. Pressure 1, babawas mo yung pressure at 2. O, yun na yung gamma H. O, ito yung height ng mountain. O, yun, ganun lang. Pressure 1 ay 536 millimeters of mercury. O, paano ba yan? Gamma H lang naman yan. Gawin mo lang yan naka-mercury. O, alam naman natin, 13.6 yung gamit natin sa mercury, di ba? O, specific gravity. Actually, yung gamma H, pwede naman nating i-factor out eh. Sige, sulat ko ha. Baga gamma 1, H1, di ba? Minus gamma 2, H2. O, ang gamma 1 ay specific gravity lang yan ng mercury times unit weight ng water. S1 na lang. S1, unit weight ng water, height 1, minus S. Same lang naman sila. Pressure 1, pressure 2, S1 pa rin yan. Unit weight ng water times height 2. O, di ba? Pwede mo lang naman siya ma-factor out. Equals gamma H. Yung gamma na gagamitin yung gitna nila kung anumang medium yun. O, in that case, unit weight ng air yan. Gamma air times height. Equals gamma air times height. Equals gamma air times height. O, pwede natin ma-factor out yung specific gravity, unit weight ng water. So, basically, height 1 minus height 2 lang to. And that is equal to unit weight ng air times the height. So, in this case, ito na yung specific gravity ng mercury. So, unit weight ng water. Height 1 ng sa mercury minus height 2 ng sa mercury. 2m and 1m2 na lang. Height mercury 1, height mercury 2. 0.1 height ng sa mercury. And that is equal to unit weight ng air times yung height. Ayan, solve for H. Ayan na yung height ng mountain. Ganun lang, kadali. Dinerive ko lang. So, specific gravity ng mercury, 13.6 times unit weight ng water. Take note, naka-newtons gamit dito. Sa 9A10 gagamitin natin. 9A10 newtons per cubic meter. Tapos yung height ng mercury, 0.536. Ay, yung head mercury sa baba, 0.536 minus head ng mercury sa taas, 0.46. Then yun, divide mo na lang yan by unit weight ng air na 12 newtons. Pag hindi binigay yung newtons per cubic meter, as is yung 12 newtons. Na lumabas din yun ng mismong tanong. 12.5 nga ata yun sa iba. 12.5 newtons per cubic meter. So that familiar na lang din. So that's the answer is 844.968. Most nearly gives 845. Ayan, labasin yan. O mamaya kasi binabago lang 'to, hindi naman 'yan naka-millimeters of mercury, baka naka-inch of mercury, basta yun iba lang yung ginamit na unit or baka naka-ATM, atmospheric pressure, naka-PSI, naka-pounds per square inch. Diyan lang yung mga ano yan, ganyan lang yung ginagawa natin dun. Difference in pressure lang yan 'pag magkaibang level na yung point 1 and point 2, and that's it. Lagay ko nga 'to, 'di ko na nalagay 'no, height na ito na lang, lagay ko na lang height ng mountain, age, nahuli. Ayan, ganyan. That's it for this problem. Ito po lang yung ano natin diyan. Hope you learned something. Thank you.